Hi there, guys. I'm coming back at you with another video, and this time I want to do a tutorial eyelashes, or how I apply my eyelashes, and it's very beginner friendly, and it's the way that works for me. I know that a lot of people do things the other way, and you'll see what I'm talking about as I get into the video, but this is just what seems to work very well for me. Okay, not going to prolong this. Let's get into the video. Okay. I gotta say a few things first. Okay, I might as well put this in here while I'm making this video. As I said, I would love to do more not tutorials, but my way of applying my makeup. But I'm gonna say something. Now on this video, I can't see real good without my glasses, y'all, so bear with me. On this video, I've already applied my eye makeup, you know, my foundation for my eyes, and I've done around my eyes. And the reason why I do that is because I'm very self-conscious about my eyes. Now, you really can't see it right now, but I have really, really, really dark circles around my eyes. I have really dark circles around my eyes. And I'm very self-conscious about that. But I think as I watch more people do their makeup on these videos, I see, and I'm not saying this as a put down, I'm just saying it as an observation. I look at people when they have a full face of makeup, and then when you see them start from scratch, it's like, man, you cannot believe that's the same person. So that helps me to be a little bit more, a little bit less self-conscious about coming on camera without makeup around my eyes. And that's all I've done. I just done the top part so that I can apply the lashes out there. And I'm sure I'm going to get more comfortable with doing this on camera. I've never been comfortable about the circles. And like I said, you can't see them right now, but I've never been comfortable about the dark circles around my eye. All right, I'm going to start with, I decided to just do a little, I think it's, thank you, synthetic. These lashes right here by LA Colors. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using, and they are synthetic lashes. They are not mink. I just putting on something just for this, the purpose of this video, doing this. And I don't know if maybe I need to put you guys a little bit closer to me. Got you so far back. Okay, maybe that's better. Okay, and that way you'll be able to see as I go along. And I wanted to try to do this video like this. You know that this is the eyelash glue that I use, and it's super strong hold eyelash adhesive, and it's by, I think it's Kiss, and it works wonders. I love this. But I also like this, what that is, lash lifting adhesive, and it's clear. It's, as you can see, it is clear. And I've done my nails 2 different ways, guys. Yes, I'm experimenting. I haven't done this hand yet. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's this. And it is absolutely clear. It dries clear. I'm going to try one lash with this and one lash with this and see how it does. Now, with this, I use this right here, Maybelline. Okay, here we go. What this is right here. I'll make sure that you can see it. I don't know. I got makeup on my hand. Y'all excuse me. That's makeup. I put my hand on top of a lid. That's this. That's what this is. I love this. It's the one way that I found that I can put eyeliner on. Okay, let's see if we can't work with this. All right, I've got my little trusty mirror right here, and it does have a light on it. So I'm going to be using this. So if you see me looking down, that's where I'm at. I'm looking in my mirror. Okay. Now, oh yeah. I just want to be able to have you guys be able to see what I'm doing. Sometimes I do this, and sometimes I don't. And you'll see why in a little bit. Now, the problem that I have, guys, with this is and this is the reason why, most of the time, I don't put under eye makeup on before I do my lashes because my eyes water so bad. But that's going to be okay today. My eyes do water. That's why I have to go in straight and put my lashes on. I can't be doing a whole lot of stuff, but I just wanted to do this. And we're going to try to make it through this. Oops. Put a little bit too much on there, but it'll be okay. All right, now I'm going to have to take a second for my eyes to stop watering. That's why when I do my eyelashes, I have to go straight in after I usually do from here on up to my forehead. I usually put my makeup on from here up. And then I can put my eyelashes on and my eyes won't water. Here we go. But this is my method for doing my eyelashes. Okay. I want to put this back because I don't need it falling on the floor. All right, here we go. Now, what I do is I got the eyelash glue, and I put my eyelash glue on my eye, and I'm hoping that you can see what I'm doing. Seems like it's a little bit dry. I might be able to use most of it. And this is black, so it goes right over the mascara, the eyeliner. I might need to come closer. I don't want this. I don't want to have to do this video 6 times to get it. And if the truth be known, you can actually use this as your eyeliner. You can do it either way. Okay. And it does not take long for the, it doesn't take long at all for the glue to dry. And so what I do is, and this is I have not used lashes this thin before. And what I do is, I kind of bend the lash a little bit so it will fit. And this is a very thin lash. So I'm going to go ahead in and do this one. And all you have to do is, I'm going to come closer to you. I place it in the middle. If you can see. And then I pull the end. It doesn't matter which end. Oh man, that really. And see, this works excellent for me. This is the only way that I can actually apply my lashes. And if you can see, I have that lash on. And it's a very thin lash. I mean, this is nice. This is not, it's a long lash, but it's very thin. This is like a everyday wearable lash. And that is gorgeous. And sometimes I do mascara, but then sometimes I just don't. I'm gonna try to do it. Oops. But I go the same way. I go right over. See if I can do it where you guys can see me and I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Let me see if I can try to do a little bit. Okay, there's that. All right, here we go. Now I'm hoping I can get this done so that you guys can see what I'm doing and I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and now this is the part that I've always had the problem with. Let me see if I can get this one, this end. I think I can. Okay, yeah. Oh, wow. That's really nice. Man, these went on with no problem. Thank you, Lord. I'm back. And as you can see, I have these lashes on. Oh man, they're nice. And I probably could use some mascara. Mascara on these. But as you see, they look really good with the eyeliner and everything. So they are on. Okay, now is when I come in. And that would normally be the end of that, guys. Okay, so that's how I apply my lashes, and it works for me. All right, guys, that is it for for this video. And as you can see, I am able now to, I'm able to wear my glasses no matter what length of lash I have. I'm able to wear my glasses with no problem. They don't touch my glasses or anything. And I can see very well with my glasses on, y'all. But without my glasses, I'm like, especially up close. I can't, everything looks, it's like fuzzy for me. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And don't forget to comment, like, and share. All right, guys, you'll see me in my next video. Love you guys. Stay safe, and bye-bye.